This appeal by special leave raises a question of the application of Section 403 of Criminal Procedure Code. The circumstances in which this question arises are following: a complaint was filed against one person and the appellant under Sections 120B, 409 Indian Penal Code and Section 5 of the Prevention of Corruption Act in the Court of Sub-Divisional Magistrate, Darjeeling. Against the appellant, the complaint was instituted on March 2, 1950 as the West Bengal Criminal Law Amendment Special Courts Act came into force on June 23, 1949. The case was allotted to the special judge who found accused number 1 guilty but acquitted the appellant. Accused number 1 took an appeal to the High Court at Calcutta. The appeal must therefore be allowed. The conviction and sentence are set aside and the appellant must be regarded as an under trial prisoner awaiting retrial. If government so decides, he will continue on the same bail until such retrial. On April 9, 1952, the West Bengal Criminal Law Amendment Special Courts Amending Ordinance 1950/1952 came into force and was replaced by West Bengal Act 12 of 1952 on July 30, 1952. On May 2, 1952, a petition of complaint was filed against both the appellants. It was stated therein that the High Court had held that the allotment of the case to the previous special court and all proceedings thereafter were invalid, and all such cases have been directed to be retried according to law, and prayer for cognizance to be taken of the offences which both the appellants were accused of. It may be pointed out that as far as the appellant was concerned, the High Court had given no such direction. The special judge then summoned the appellant, who pleaded the bar of Section 403 Criminal Procedure Code, basing it on his acquittal by the special judge. The special judge overruled this plea on the ground of want of jurisdiction of the previous special judge to try the offences, because Section 4 of the Act had been declared ultra vires by the High Court. Against this order, the appellant moved the High Court under Articles 226 and 227 and under Section 439 of the Criminal Procedure Code for quashing the proceedings before the special judge on August 22, 1952. He was superseded, and he passed an order on August 26 that as the court had no jurisdiction to continue the trial, the case be filed and the accused be held under water prisoner pending a retrial according to law. The appellant thereupon amended his petition in the High Court. The High Court dismissed the application and discharged the rule. It held that as the act creating the special judges courts has been declared ultra vires, the decision of that court had no binding force, and that the High Court did not discharge the accused persons altogether, but directed that they were to be held as under trial prisoners, leaving it to the government to decide what further steps the government would take.